Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for a paper walkthrough of Wild at Heart. This is a requested paper pad. I got several emails about this paper pad that you guys are wanting me to get it in stock. And I got it in the 6x6 and the 8x8, but I missed the 12x12. I'm so sorry, but they have already discontinued the 12x12, or at least from what I can tell on my distributor, I cannot get it anymore. And I got all I could get of these. So if you want them, this is going to be our only order of them, and then we won't have them in store anymore. But I'm going to flip through the 8x8 so you can see the images. This is gorgeous, and it's perfect for Christmas. It's perfect for masculine cards, you name it. I like to take this plastic off the sticky part so that I can flip through easier while we're doing these little flip through videos. Let me just pull that off of there real quick. I hate to tear these paper pads, but they typically do. I try not to. If you'll lay that sticker down and go real slow, it won't tear, but if you tear it, it does that. All right, so here we go. Wild at Heart. This is the 8x8. It's 200 GSM paper. There's 48 sheets in here. You get so many sheets. Are you kidding me? The first sheets in this pack are fabric feel paper. They actually call it fabric textured paper, and it reminds me of wallpaper samples. I've said that several times about this paper, how it feels. This is stunning. This is perfect for Christmas. This paper in itself is incredible. I love it. This is that same fabric feel paper in this brown plaid. This just screams dad cards and guy cards. It's so beautiful. This reminds me of like, almost like, this is going to sound crazy, but if you're a purse fan, this reminds me of like what a Louis Vuitton, the brown kind of texture on a Louis Vuitton bag. That's exactly what that reminds me of. These deer antlers, are you kidding me? They are so pretty. And they're embossed. You see on the back, let me get it where you can see it. They're embossed. You see that? And here they are. And they're white antlers on a pale blue page. Look at this. This is so pretty. This reminds me of Vince so much because he likes the wilderness feel, the hunting and the lodge feel. Look at that. And I love that it's gray. It's got a slight plaid in the background, which is gorgeous. Look at this. This is this outdoor man right here. It's incredible. But can you imagine this for Christmas cards? So pretty. And it's got that embossed texture on there. And you can feel it. It's lifted a little bit. So pretty. Look at this old paper. Oh, this is gorgeous. This reminds me of those paper bags that we get sometimes that we all save and use for something else. And look how it's got the foiling on it. It's not foiling, it's embossing, like clear embossing. It's gorgeous. Look at these rabbits. This is an Easter page all day long. Easter mini album, Easter card. So cute. And you get 3 of each of these patterns I'm showing you. This is gorgeous. And it's got embossed, clear embossed lines on the page. Look at that. So pretty. All those manly colors, that mustard and that pale blue and the brown. Ugh. Look at this page, perfect for backgrounds. I love when it's just like the wilderness. You can do anything. You could build a scene on this page. It would be so pretty. Are you kidding me? Look, this reminds me of my wood floors. I had a house that had vintage wood floors, and someone had put a carpet over them. Can you believe someone would cover floors that look like this? So we had the carpet taken up and the floors refinished, and I promise you it looked just like this. Pine. That's what it looked like. I love this. And you get 3 sheets of that one. Look, Dad's tie, or maybe Dad's vest and Dad's tie to match. Love that. Oh my goodness. Look at these polka dots. Another tie. Vince would totally wear this tie, and even brighter. He loves it. Another little pattern on the back, just a pale blue, kind of blue-gray. Acorns and oak leaves. That's what those are, a little mustard color here. This color palette's very modern. I like this, kind of the grays and the mustards that are you kidding me? Sorry, I got distracted. The grays and the mustards that are so popular right now. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is totally for Dad. I love it. Boyfriends, uncles, fathers, this is a paper pad perfect for them. Look at this. It's got the owls. I think this is very similar to a page up front, but it's not foiled, which is really cool. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I can see that as the background on a card for Happy Father's Day or congratulations or happy birthday. That one's gorgeous. I think we have one more page we do. This page is very Vince with the deer. He's a hunter, so he loves these kind of pages like this or paper like that. He would be drooling over this paper if he was in here. Oh, are you kidding me? I love this page so much. I would totally put a snowman in this corner, cut this down for a card, and boom, it's done. I love that so much. And don't forget, I tell you all the time, this is perfect chipboard to use in another project, so use those pieces too. So there it is. We have it in 8x8, and we have it in the 6x6. The patterns are the same. They're just smaller in the 6x6. So if you're a card maker, the 6x6 would probably be great for you. If you're an album maker, this would probably be even better for the 8x8. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that paper flip through. Grab these while you can. I don't think I can get any more. Have a great one. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.